Okay, we're going to show you how to put a motor in today. I've already removed the louver. 12,000 is a little bit easier, but on the 18 and 24, they actually have a pin on both sides and one in the middle. It just slides in and out the pin. The middle ones, it's got a finger tab. You pull the tab over slightly and it just releases. And you can move it side to side and the louver bends. So pull your louver out. You have a screen at the bottom. Pull your screen out, that way you can actually touch your wheel here. You have one screw on your control box assembly down at the bottom. Pull that screw out and just simply lift up on it, and the control box assembly would just shift out of the way. Now you can see your motor here. You got your coil, and this is the drain pan that goes over the motor. On the other side of the coil, there are two screws. Move those screws, and now your coil will lift up. Pick your whole coil up and just take something and put up under there to keep it up. Now you can move this out of your way. You can actually reach your set screw straight through here. We'll take a Phillips head. About where we want it. And now that that's done, set screws loose. You can remove clasp for the back of the blower motor, and the blower motor will just simply come up. I say simply. And what I did here was I picked up on the wheel so it don't get in a bind and go straight out. You can see where the indentation on this motor here was indented by the set screw. Just take a Sharpie and you want to go in about 1/8 of an inch and make a Sharpie mark. That gives you an idea on your new motor where the set screw needs to be placed on the hub. Level out the blower wheel again, slide it in, and then once it's in, you have a flat spot on the motor. The set screw needs to be placed on the flat spot of the motor. So you can move the shaft and set it right where your Sharpie mark is. And you want, what you want is you want the wheel in the center of the two. So you can slide the wheel back and forth. We're just going to move it so it's exactly flat on the motor. We'll secure it, drop the coil back down, put a clasp back on, and just that easy. So don't try to beat yourself up by taking all this stuff here off, because it don't necessarily have to come off. If the machine wasn't on the wall, you could actually pull the whole coil off and then do it. But this way is very simple, quick, and then in the future for servicing, if it's real dirty, you can pull your wheel out as well later on and clean it. So it's two advantages, and also it's good to know because this drain pan over years will get dirty and you'll need to clean it. And the only way to really clean it right is you can put algae tabs in it, but after several years, you'll want to go in here and wipe this thing out. So that's why it's made the way it is. So everything goes together good. Simply put your coil back down in the pan, make sure it's a good seat, and then that's it.